Hi guys, welcome back to my video. If you don't know me, I'm just a regular girl trying to sew and make cute clothes. We're gonna start a series of making spring and summer clothes. I hope you guys stay by. Today we're gonna make this type of dress and I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna use this fabric which I think is really pretty. Look at that. And I'm gonna use this technique called shirring with a elastic thread. It's gonna be my first time doing it. I'm gonna practice with one fabric first and then I'll try to do it here with it for the dress. I turn off the fan so you guys can hear me better. So yeah, I'm gonna make this dress. I'm gonna try to make it from here to my almost a little bit down my waist so it can look like I have a longer torso that I do, and I think it's kind of trendy right now. So I'm gonna try it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do lining. I don't think it's necessary. So I bought this pack of two elastic thread, one black, one white, and I got it from Amazon. It wasn't that expensive, and I just want you guys to see it, how big it is. I'm also gonna link the fabric that I use. It's from Joann's, and I'm gonna put it in the description if you guys wanna make something with it. Pretty fabric. I really like it. When you guys see it a little bit closer, little dress. It looks pretty good. It looks really nice with my skin color. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and also if you can follow me on social media. If you do. So let's start. We're gonna start by putting the elastic thread on the bobby of the sewing machine. So this is how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna start using it with a tension of 2, and I'm gonna use just the basic stitch with this fabric right here, and I will tell you guys how it goes. Okay, push. So after practicing a little bit, I noticed that you do need to put some tension on the elastic when you put it on the bobby, in the bottom thread on the sewing machine. And also I noticed that it works better for me putting it on tension 7, and by that you just start sewing. Now this is the try one. This is the one that this is the fabric that I'm trying to get it right. I always recommend to try another type of fabric, or it's a fabric that you have that you are not gonna use for sewing or any project. You can do that to practice other type of technique that you want to implement on your next project. So yeah, I'm gonna just iron this to see how much it shrinks, and I will back, and after that I will show you guys how to make the dress. Okay, and this is how it looks. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna put it on my bed because this is like the best. I run it a little bit with my iron, but it's fine. But look how cute. And I really like the idea of like one big and one small. They were not straight lines because I was not able to get the right tension in the beginning, but then I got it, and I'm really happy. And this one is when you don't put any tension on the thread, it's not gonna do anything. It's gonna just act like a regular thread. And one thing to mention is you gotta sew the fabric on the right side, because then you're gonna see the thread. So yes, learning from mistakes. And now that I was able to finish this, I'm gonna start making the dress, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make the size and everything. One thing I want to mention is always good to practice your new techniques on a piece of fabric, so you don't ruin your fabric for the actual project. One thing I'm gonna say is like sewing is a really nice hobby that you can have. Also, you need to have patience to making mistakes and learning from them, and not to take it that hard on you, because you just here learning like everybody else. And if you don't, there's always millions of videos. There is a lot of videos. There's also books that you can buy to improve your technique. But always just take it slow and just have fun with it. After you're making it, and I'll make it even better. But yeah, let's start with the dress, okay? And this is the measurements. You're gonna measure your chest or your bust, and you're gonna multiply it by 1.5. You're gonna add a little of allowance to sew, and for the length, it's up to you. Whatever you feel more comfortable, you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, okay? And this is gonna be the big chunk of fabric that we're gonna shear in. This big shear is gonna go really small like this. I'm gonna make it first stop, and then I'm gonna add a big chunk of fabric to make it keep skirt. It's gonna be a long dress, so let's see. So I decided to sew the front of the top of the fabric before I start doing the shirring, so you have a better or more cleaner result. So I'm gonna start shirring right now. One thing I'm going to recommend is to have multiple of these ready. With the elastic, because you have to do it every time it ends. And now I only did 2 lines. It's looking nice, you see, I can see it. And now I have to roll this again. So yeah, just a little tip. So this is how it's going. I decided to do 2 thin lines and then one a little bit with the more space, and almost there. So I finished sewing or sharing the piece with the chips, and this is how it looks. It looks so cute. I sewed the sides like to close it so it looks more clean, and I cut it. It looks like clean, but something is better than nothing. This one I put a little sticker because this is where it started with the thread, and I didn't want to get them loose. So, and I also iron it a little bit. It looks really cute. So I want you guys to see. It's gonna be something like this. Okay, this is gonna be situation. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna continue this tomorrow, and I will let you guys see how it looks. Okay, like this so far. And I'm gonna add an extra layer of fabric in the bottom to make it a little bit longer, and it can be more stylish. But what do you guys think so far? This is how it looks. Really cute, pretty cute. I like it. So this is the next morning. I've been taking so long to finish this dress. I don't know why, but yeah, this is the next morning, and I'm gonna keep the dress short. I I did not pull it to put shoes to keep it short and not add the extra layer. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the end result shortly. Okay. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let me know what you guys think.